How to practice English with friends. Practicing English with friends is one of the most enjoyable ways to improve your language skills. First, set up regular study sessions where you can practice speaking, listening, and even writing. You can choose a topic to discuss each week, like travel, food, or hobbies, to keep things interesting. Second, play English language games. There are many fun games that can help improve your vocabulary and grammar, such as word association games or sentence-building challenges. Third, watch English movies together and discuss them afterward. This helps you practice listening and speaking skills. Fourth, you can practice writing together. Write short stories or essays, and then review each other's work. Fifth, consider finding a language exchange partner who speaks English fluently. By practicing with friends in different ways, you can improve your English quickly and have fun at the same time.